Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Learn in Lectures. So here we are in the art studio again with the navigation part 2. So here is the thing. Like last video, we're gonna work on the same demo CSV file, right? So just making sure whatever we supposed to have, we have it in that file. Alright, so you have to make sure the cursor you have all the way in the end, otherwise it's not gonna work. So yeah, everything is good. So last time what happens is when I assign x, it didn't work because it's a variable and I didn't assign the variable length. So here's the thing. So r norm, let's use the length 100. Alright, now after assigning it, I can use the data, right? So let's do str. Last time we used the data, right? I show you right there. So now I'm gonna use the variable. So 100, I got this. Alright. Now let's just use the length and x 100, like we assigned that. Right in here 100, right? So we can just use the x. It's gonna give us this. Then we can use the history and x. Here we have the image of the history diagram of hex, right? So pretty easy. Now we can save the image, save as PDF, copy to the clipboard, and all the very fancy stuff, right? So each of the CSV file or Excel file, you can do the same thing. First thing, you have to assign a variable, then you can play around with the variable, then you can do the history diagram, you can ask for it, and then you can take those pictures and use it for future reference. And the last thing, we have to do this. So if you do the hist, question mark hist, it's gonna show you the help of the graphics. So in order to go back to the diagram, you're gonna go to the plot. And here we have, you can zoom in. Now, the several way you can come out from the console. You can either quit the session, it's gonna ask you whether you wanna save it, you don't wanna save it, which is perfectly fine, or you can do the quit. What? I don't wanna save it, so just don't save it. So I'm just gonna clear the console. Alright guys, thanks for watching and we're gonna meet in our second video, alright?